Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Abdul Aziz. I study in class 9. We belong from Idrisiya Secondary Public School. Here we are presenting the model of plant cell, which is prepared by Group B. As you can see, the model of plant cell, which is some kind of cubicle in shape. Some cells organelles are mentioned on it, such as cell wall, cell membrane, cytoplasm, chloroplast, vacuole, and nucleus. Cell wall is the tough, rigid, and non-living permeable protective layer of the cell. Cell membrane is the outermost layer of living boundary of all cell. Cytoplasm is the jelly-like substance. Its main function is to hold together organelles which make cytoplasm. Chloroplast. They give green color to plant and algae. Vacuole is the fluid-filled space that occurs in the cytoplasm of plant cell. Nucleus is the largest organelle. It contains genetic information to form of DNA. Thank you.